Hello students, we shall learn about the tenses. Tenses used to show time at which the action of a verb takes place. In all languages, tenses is divided into three classes, namely present tense, past tense, future tense. Each of these tenses are further divided into four classes. Indefinite, that is no definite time. Perfect, perfect of definite time. Continuous, happening or existing. Then next one, perfect continuous, that is happening from a perfect or a definite time. Now first we will do present tense. Present tense, when a verb is used to show that the action take place, it is called as a present tense. For example, he writes very well. Second one, she loves me. There are some points to identify the simple present tense. First one, the simple present tense is also used in proverbs and saying as they refer to the permanent truths. For example, a stitch in a time saves nine. A rolling stone gathers no mass. The simple present tense is used to express natural qualities and professional activities. For example, sugar tastes sweet, that is natural quality. Second one, a doctor treats patients, professional activity. Next one, in the simple present tense, we generally use the root form of the verb, but he, she, it and other singular subjects in the third person, we add s or es to the root form. For example, he looks the entrance gate every night. The negative sentence is formed by writing subject plus do or does plus not plus base form of the verb. For example, the boy does not read novels. Next one, the interrogative sentence is formed by writing do or does plus subject plus base form of the verb. For example, does the boy read novels? Simple present tense indicate an action which happens in the present but isn't necessary for actions to happen right now. Simple present tense indicates unchanging situation, general truths, scientific facts, habits, fixed arrangements and frequently occurring events. So first one, habits. I always drink coffee at work. He goes to bed at 11 p.m. They often eat lunch at school. Next one, future plan or schedule. For example, the train arrives at 3 p.m. We fly to Paris on Monday. Classes begin next week. Next is general facts, truths. The sun rises in the east. Earth is not flat. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Next, present fact truths. I live in the Washington DC. Next one, she is 80 years old. He works at Microsoft. Here is the table which shows different example of simple present tense, positive, negative and the interrogative. Interrogative means question. Positive examples are his wife sets the table. Second one, I like fruits. Third one, we love flying kites. My son makes his bed. Fifth one, I play chess. Next one, negative sentence. His wife does not set the table. Second, I didn't like fruits. Third, we don't love playing kites. Fourth, I didn't play chess. Next one, interrogative sentence. Does his wife set the table? Second, do I like fruits? Next, do we love flying kites? Does my son make his bed? And last one, do I play chess? Okay, students, I hope you have understood simple present tense. We'll stop here today. Thank you.